Okay, so now we're going to look at calculating percentage error. So percentage error is if you were to estimate a value, for example the length of a room, and then you took out your measuring tape and you measured it correctly, so you would actually find out how much you were out, or what was your percentage error in your approximation. So the formula for percentage error is the error over the accurate value, or the actual value, okay, and then you multiply it by 100. So the first step that we have is we need to find out what the error is. So if we look at question 2 here on page 6 as an example, you can see that 56 is taken to be an approximation for 55.4. So 56 is your approximation, and 55.4 is your accurate value. So what you need to do is find the difference between these two. So we have 56 minus 55.4, and we always take the absolute value, or the positive value of this. So our absolute, our value is 0.6. So this is the error. Okay, so you take away the approximate value from the accurate value. It doesn't matter what you write down first, because you're always going to take the absolute value either way. So the second step then is to fill in your formula for the percentage error. So you have your error is 0.6 over the accurate value, 55.4, and you multiply that by 100. So if ever we're looking for a percentage in a question, generally you make a fraction and multiply it by 100. And you can put that into the calculator and you get 1.08%. So which is actually quite a small error. So that is your percentage error.